Whether you're gardening, farming, camping, or doing construction, a shovel is key in starting and completing any outdoor project. A high-quality shovel is not only durable but can make the job you're working on easier and more comfortable. When shopping for a shovel, it's important to take into account the different uses and types since each one is made with specific materials and lengths for optimal performance and for certain purposes. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 shovels on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Fiskars Square Garden Spade Shovel. Our top pick for the best overall shovel is the Fiskars Steel D-Handle Digging Shovel. We appreciate its D-handle design that offers steady control and sturdy steel construction. Plus, the shape helps reduce fatigue while you work. In addition to a generous lifetime warranty, the sharpened blade can cut through even the toughest, rockiest soil so you can dig continuously. It also has an oversized, welded platform so you can securely and comfortably step the shovel into the ground. Although this shovel can feel a little heavier than other options on our list, we think all its other features make up for this small flaw. Whether you're gardening, farming, or working on a construction project, this shovel is the best choice for beginners and professionals alike. Product details: type, round, blade material, alloy steel, handle material, alloy steel, length, 48 inches, weight, 5 pounds. Number 2. Dangtop Cooling Blankets, Bamboo Blankets. Hot sleepers and those living in warmer climates, rejoice, the Dangtop Cooling Blanket is the lightweight blanket you've been looking for. The bamboo viscose cotton blend fabric is very soft, and it has a textured design that feels cool to the touch. Thanks to this cool touch and highly breathable bamboo fabric, we felt this blanket easily lived up to its claim as a cooling blanket. It would be ideal for use in the summertime, though hot sleepers could also use it on cooler nights. We also appreciated the nice color options, like the lavender hue. Dangtop has a size guide to help you determine the best blanket for your bed. We were able to cover the bed with this blanket perfectly as a bedspread. It had sufficient drape on both sides and could easily be tucked in at the foot of the mattress without creating bulk. Number 3. Bear Home Fleece Blanket. Fleece blankets are known for delivering instant warmth, and the Bear Home Micro Plush Fleece Blanket doesn't disappoint. After wrapping ourselves in this soft and snuggly fleece blanket during testing, we felt cozy right away and warmed up quickly. In addition to its warming qualities, the blanket's fabric has a lovely texture that's soft and drapey. We found that it fits nicely on a queen-sized bed, with plenty of fabric at the bottom to tuck in and enough material on the sides so that 2 people could fit under it comfortably. In terms of weight, we found it to be heavier than a cotton knit blanket though not overly thick. While we felt it would be great to use during the winter, it might not deliver quite as much warmth as a wool blanket. Its durability is what makes this blanket shine. It appears well made and washes nicely, with no apparent flaws after being cleaned. Number 4. Big Blanket Company Original Stretch Navy. Extra large and extra snuggly, the Big Blanket Company Original Stretch Blanket is available in just one size, a substantial 10 by 10 feet. And if you're looking for a heavy option too, this is the best blanket to consider. The blanket is likely too large to use as a bedspread, even on a king-sized bed. As a bed topper, we felt that it just seemed impractical to manage. What it is ideal for, though, is snuggling on the couch with the entire family. Pleasantly heavy with a soft, smooth, and cozy texture, we felt that this is the blanket of your Netflix marathon dreams. This ultra-soft fabric is a blend of polyester and spandex, which gives the blanket a little bit of stretch. Though heavy, the material isn't overly thick, and while it delivers lovely warmth, it's not stifling. Product details: sizes, NA, material, polyester and spandex, weight, 520 GSM, care required, machine wash. Number 5. Luxome Lightweight Blanket. With its soft, satin-like finish, we praise the texture of the Luxome Lightweight Blanket. Made of 100% viscose from bamboo, it feels ultra-cozy, not at all scratchy, and has a substantial weight that drapes softly. It's beautifully made, too, with piped edges and a nicely quilted surface area. Spread on a bed, this blanket covers the mattress nicely and is big enough to be used either as a blanket or bedspread. And while not quite as lightweight as advertised, we found it to have a more moderate weight. It regulates temperature well. Overall, we felt that it makes for a good choice for the summer months, particularly if you sleep in an air-conditioned room. Even after 5 minutes, it felt cool against the skin, we found. Though already luxuriously soft, this blanket somehow gets even softer after going through the wash. Also good, there were no signs of the stain, and it emerged without any visible rips, tears, loose threads, or snags. The pet brush also worked well on the surface, leaving behind no signs of damage. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.